This is your code book. In this video we are going to discuss about strings in Python. What is mean by string? A string is a collection of characters enclosed by single quotes or double quotes. In Python, triple quotes also possible. And remember, a string is a combination of letters, numbers and special characters. So look at here. So string is a sequence of characters enclosed by either single quotes or double quotes. So let's see one example. Good day. So we have created one variable or object message and the string is good day. So to access or to print the string on a screen, simply type the name of the string variable or object. So this is one thing, and the next one is message 1. Hello. So message 1 is hello. So here double quotes and message 2 okay, so spelling mistake so now we got the output hi. So this is the creating a string. So string is a sequence of characters enclosed by either single quotes, double quotes or triple quotes. And remember, so one more example, info name followed by roll number. So this is also considered as a string, okay, because string is a combination of letters, numbers and special character also. So if we see another example, info 1 the special character dollar or hash 100 and name. So this is also considered as a string. So this is about string is a combination of characters enclosed by either single quotes or double quotes or even triple quotes also. And the next, how we are going to accessing characters in a string. So here if we type message good day, so that is the message good day. How we are going to access a character from a string? So the thing is, the indexing method we are going to access the characters from a string. For example, message is good day. So there is a positive index and negative index. We know that the index value is always start from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 8. So including the white space also considers a character, remember. And the negative index start from that last character, that is -1 up to -9. So let's see one example. So message good day. So now I am going to access a character. Message of, to access the first character, message of 0. You can see the output. So now message to access the last character. So message of, look at this one, message of 8. So the last character is the exclamatory symbol. And then now to access the white space, okay, to access the white space, the index value is 4. So here that is white space is printed on the output screen. And then using negative index to access the last character, -1. Okay, and then again to access the first character using negative index, -9. This G. And then if I am giving the index value out of range, okay, so there is an index error, the string index out of range, okay, because the maximum value is the 8. So we got index error. The meaning is string index out of range. So this is the way to accessing characters in a string. So the method is the indexing. The operation is the indexing. And then next string operation. Okay, so how we are going to perform various string operation? There are 3 string operation: slicing, concatenation, and repetition. So the 3 string operation: slicing, concatenation, repetition. So slicing is used to create a substring from an original string, and the second operation is used to join 2 string, concatenation, and the third operation, repetition, is used to repeat a string in certain number of times. So let's discuss one by one. So first one, slicing. So as I told earlier, the slicing operation is used to create a substring. The slice operator is used to perform this operation. So the syntax is start, stop, and step. The start is the starting character of the substring, and stop is the ending index of the substring, and step value is the optional. So let me explain with the example this slicing operation. So consider the same string message. We have a good day. So now I would like to create a substring good from this original string. So here the starting index of this substring is 0. So the starting value is 0 colon, and end value is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, actually the last character is, the end values does not include, so we have to give 4. So good. Okay, if you are giving 3, only GOO will be printed on the output screen. This. If I am giving 0:3, look at the output, only GOO, that is the stop index value does not include in the output. And then next another output message, if I am giving 5:7, look at the output, only DA. And then another example, message, if I am giving -1:-5, so look at the output, -1 to -5. Okay, it's check again. -5:-1, it is day. So here in this example, -5, it starts from here -5 and then -1 up to -1. So -5 white space D A Y. Okay, so always this one is greater and the stop value is the greater, and then stop value is the smaller. Okay, when you are using negative index. And then another example, message 0:7, if I am trying to give step value, then look at the output, GO space A, that is from 0 it's G, and then next it takes the character from the index 2, so GO, and the next 4, that's why I got space, and then 6 A. Okay, so the stop value is 7, so up to 6 few characters are printed. And another example, (8:3), my step value is 3, so GDA, so G and then D and then A. So this is the way to accessing slicing operation in Python, so creating substring. And the next one, concatenation. This operation is used to join two strings. Okay, how we are going to combine two strings. So let's see example. If vad1 is equal to hello and vad2 is equal to world hello world, so now I am going to combine these two strings, okay, w1 and w2, and I am running, we will get hello world. Suppose I need a space between these two, means w1 plus and plus w2. So now you can see the output hello space world. Okay, so using this plus operator, we can combine or join two strings. And then one more example, we can directly, okay, hi plus any name, okay, for example John. So hi John. So this is the another example to combine two strings. So this concatenation is used to join two strings. The operator is the plus. And the next repetition, so this operation is used to repeat the strings a certain number of times. Look at the operator asterisk. So another example, if w1 is hello, okay, so now I am going to repeat this string into 3 times. So w1 into 3, if I am running this code, we will get this hello hello hello. That is 3 number of times the string is repeated. And one more example, hi into 5. Okay, so look at the output. So hi, the string is repeated 5 number of times. So this is the third operation, repetition. This operation is used to repeat the string a certain number of times. And the next string is immutable. Yes, string is immutable. So let me explain with this example. So message, it is a good day. So now I would like to change this G capital into uppercase. Okay, so uppercase to lowercase. So the index is 0. So message of 0 is G, small character. When I am trying to update this one, so we got type error. So str object does not support item assignment. Okay, so the string is immutable, which means once we created, we cannot change it. So string is immutable. Okay, so in this session we discussed about what is meant by string, how we are accessing characters in a string, what are the different operation on strings, and finally a string is immutable. Thank you.